let me ask you all one question. Have you ever given your everything to someone but still been disappointed with the outcome? No, don't go to your love life. I'm not talking about that. Come back. I'm talking about the dream employee of yours. I mean, the one that you gave everything to, but still in the end, all you were left was with a breakup note. How many of you can relate with this? Okay. But have you ever wondered what exactly goes wrong there? Actually, wait. I'm so sure you guys are wondering what a PSP has to do with this. What a PSP has to do with these problems. Aren't all these like the HR issues, the HR concerns? Well, what if I tell you guys that this is exactly what a PSP has to do with? What if I tell you that boring old back-end tool of yours, that PSP, is actually playing a vital role in fueling your business engine? What if I tell you that PSP of yours is actually framing narratives the way your internal team is functioning? And you guys are wondering how, right? Hi, I'm Bhumi Panchal, Head of Growth at Coinigo. And I'm here not for another TED Talk. Instead, I'm here to make a claim. And my claim is, Coinigo is not just a payment solution provider. We claim to be your business transformative partner. Whew, big words, right? Business transformative partner. What exactly does this mean? It simply means that at Coinigo, we not just solve your payment problems, but we also help you eliminate those HR headaches, those back office bottlenecks, those customer support concerns, those marketing team frustration. And there is one team I'm missing. Yes, the finance team problem as well. Well, this is the reason those guys always feel left out. To start with that, do you remember the breakup note I was talking about? Yes. Let's talk more about it. Imagine, how many of us are HR here? Any HRs in the audience? Okay, let's try to imagine that you are an HR. You are drowned in millions of resumes, thousands of interviews, and hundreds of negotiations. Why? Just to find that one dream employee. And what happens once that dream employee is finally on board? You see that the customer support person is super frustrated. That back office, I'm sorry. Yeah, the customer support person is super frustrated. That back office employee of yours is, I'm sorry, but ghosted. The finance team is in pain. And the marketing team is always on the frontier to fight a defense war on Trustpilots and Reddits. But why exactly does this happen? Let's try to deep dive into it. Let's start with the saddest people in your team, the customer support team. You know, it's so difficult to be a customer support agent. To be honest, they are no more humans. The angry traders have made them a punching bag. So what's the solution of all this frustration? The energy level which is down, how do we bring it up for them? That's where Coinigo comes in. With Coinigo, we offer a human-first support and no bots. Let's be real. When I'm going through something like a transaction fail or like missing payments, I do not want to talk to a bot which simply says, press 1 for normal issues, press 2 for bigger issues, press 3 for if the world is falling down. I want to talk to a support that listens to me, that understands my frustration, that actually replies with empathy and a proper solution. That's why at Coinigo, our customer support agents are always available. And to be honest, we do not just provide customer support to you, but we also provide it to your traders. This eliminates a lot of back office problems, a lot of ticket concerns from your customer support team. What does this mean? This means your customer support agents are finally happy. Now let's go with the second team. To be honest, this is the most boring department of your company. Anyone here from the finance department? No, right? Come on, let's be real. Who wants to become a finance officer? Nobody. Imagine waking up to the nightmares of hidden fees, convenience charges, platform fees, and whatnot. It's so much drama. So how do we eliminate this drama with Coinigo? With Coinigo, we offer no hidden charges. Our fees is 100% transparent.
Okay.
Upon that, we also offer reports first and then the invoices. And even after all this, if your finance team still has any questions, as I mentioned, there is a client support group available 24/7 to solve those problems. With this, I think you can finally make those boring people happy and they can actually do something that they do the best, which is obviously depositing the salaries on time. Just by integrating Coinigo, you are actually making your finance team happy and also your employees happy by getting salaries, fast credited. Now let's talk about the back office team. To be honest, guys, I feel so sad for them. I can actually cry. These poor operational folks, they are sitting in the office till midnight. Their coffee sessions are becoming a therapy sessions. They are just dreaming about messages like, where is my money? Why can't I see my money in my wallet? Do you think it is easy? Can you even sense the pain and frustration they go through? I'm sure not. So what is the solution for this? At Coinigo, we have a dedicated wallet architecture, which simply means assigning one single wallet to all of your traders. This actually eliminates a lot of problems when it comes to tracking of transactions, scaling the business, and the most important one, finally reviving those dead back office people. I can clearly see the frustration has been seen on your face as well. So with Coinigo, you get this feature. You actually make life simple for your back office people as well as for the traders. Upon that, we also have a MPC wallet custody. What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is with MPC, you do not just protect your traders' fund, but you also protect your own fund. This keeps you and your traders both secured and safe. Now, before I move ahead, I'm going to say this time it's going to be a little personal. I'm going to talk about my favorite naggers of the company. The ones who are always bombarded with questions like, where is brand visibility? Where is brand awareness? Where is brand loyalty? Any marketers here? Well, I'm so sure they are super tired of taking all the photos and stuff, and that's why they are leaving. So how do we solve this brand reputation management problem with Coinigo? With Coinigo, your transactions are instant. The pay-in and payouts are super fast. If the pay-in and payouts are super fast, it simply means your traders have no reason to go to Trustpilot except giving you a good review. So that's it. Just by integrating Coinigo, you're actually solving this biggest problem for yourself as well. Being a marketer myself, let me give you a pro tip. Just by improving your user journey, you are actually building a best referral program for yourself, because a happy trader is a referring trader. So with this, I think I have managed to prove all my claims. The customer support problem solved. The back office bottlenecks solved. The marketing team frustration solved. And the finance team is also finally happy. Correct? On this note, I would like to say, dear leaders who are sitting here, before you blame your HR again for not maintaining a good ambience or not maintaining a good culture, before you actually get mad at your customer support agents again for not being proactive, before you get mad at those back office people again for not being active, guys, just step back and think, are you using a PSP that is helping you fuel your business, or are you using the one which is actually making it sink? Are you still thinking? Well, don't. because thinking never made any payments flow faster. We did. So here's a QR code. You can actually grab a coffee date with me, and I promise to bring a free user journey analysis for you as well. Thank you so much, and may all the next transaction of yours be super instant. Thanks.